Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a website for your ear piercing service using Mighty Sites. So first you click on sign in or click on launch, or you can click right down here on the template for ear piercing service to get started. So I'm going to click right here on ear piercing service. And the first thing it's going to ask me for is my name and email address, and then ask me to find my business. So all I do is find my business in here. And as soon as I find my piercing studio business, I click continue. Next, Mighty Sites is going to automatically find on the internet my small business information. So it'll find my phone number, my address. I can update my location with any of this information if it's incorrect, or add my email address. I can also update any of my hours quickly and easily. So let's just say we decide we'll be open on Wednesdays. I can simply select the hours that we're open, and that will update. And then of course, if you are closed, you just click on closed. So if all that looks good, I will click save, and then I will click on looks good next. And Mighty Sites will quickly and automatically generate a simple website for my ear piercing business. So as you can see here, the template is all filled out with images, copy, and information about my business. So this is my actual address. These are my hours. And then it shows all of these images and people. These images are licensed for your use, so you can change out these images, the links, the text, but everything that you see here is already pre-licensed for your use, simply by answering that simple questionnaire. And now you have a website for your ear piercing service. So to activate this and customize it, I click on activate and customize to launch. It's only $9 a month, and that includes hosting. It includes a secure certificate, so your website has that lock on it and it's a secure website for you and your customers. It also includes all of the copy, the images licensing, and the editor that I'm about to show you. So it's a super simple, affordable way to launch a website for your ear piercing service. Now, if I click on activate, it's going to take me to enter my credit card information. I already have an account, so mine's already stored on file. And then all I do from here is simply update my site. So if I want to add my social media, I click on update section. I can go over to social media links, and I can add my social media links, and you'll see they'll populate right here on the right hand side. I can add my Facebook page, and I just click save and close. And now my social media links are linked here to my brand new ear piercing service website. If I want to add my logo, I simply upload it from my computer. And I can also update my location information, or if I want to change around the menu items or add new menu items, I can do that here as well. Then I click close. On the main hero, I can also upload a new image if I want to use a storefront photo or photo of my team. Again, I just browse and upload any image from my computer, or I can upload or change any of the menu items here as well. If that all looks good, let's say I want to go down here and edit any of the actual copy. I just simply click on update section. I move over here and say, we are an ear piercing service business. So you can see I can type in exactly what I want. I can make it bold, I can unbold it, I can make it italics, I can link this to other sections too if I want to add a link or edit it. If all of it looks good, I can also delete the copy and see the changes that I make right here on my website. Now let's just say that I want to change the contact us button. I can choose to have that contact us linked to another website. I can have it linked to a different section of my new ear piercing service website, or I can click on actions, and let's just say I'd like people to call when they click on contact us. So especially when they're visiting my new website on their mobile phone, I just want them to be able to click on that and it automatically call my business. Now that's saved, and when somebody clicks on that link, it calls. So once I'm done updating that, I just close it out. And now you can see as I scroll through, I can change any of these images or descriptions. I can change any of the services that I offer just by simply clicking on the section that I want to update and typing in the updates that I want to see. Same with changing the images. So just like that, I can quickly and easily make an ear piercing service business website for myself using Mighty Sites. So once the site looks good and I'm happy with the content and the images I've chosen and where things link to, I just click up here on stop editing and then return to the site dashboard. And from here, I can even connect a custom domain. And again, that's all included in the $9 a month. So I can click on connect to domain. I enter my domain name right here. So if I own a custom domain, I enter it right there, and then Mighty Sites will present you with simple information that you need to update with your registrar. So if you use Google Domains, or if you use GoDaddy, if you use domain.com, whoever you're using to host your domain name, you simply type in the domain name that you want right here, click save, and Mighty Sites provides you with a simple set of instructions to update the records with your domain registrar, and now you will have your website connected to your custom domain. And so just like that, it's quick and easy to add my social links right from the dashboard, update my hours, or update my location information, or I can return to the site itself and easily update any information I want. And just like that, within a couple minutes, you have now created a brand new website for your ear piercing service using Mighty Sites.